In today's rapidly changing financial landscape, relying on a single source of income is no longer enough, even for accountants. With their specialized knowledge, analytical skills, and client relationships, accountants are in a strong position to diversify their earnings and create multiple income streams. From virtual consulting and digital products to passive income opportunities, there are many ways to turn accounting expertise into long-term financial growth. Building multiple income streams not only strengthens financial security but also creates greater flexibility, independence, and professional fulfillment over time. Adding advisory services to your accounting practice allows you to move beyond traditional tasks and deliver higher value support to your clients. Instead of focusing only on historical data, advisory work centers on strategic guidance that helps businesses grow, improve cash flow, and make smarter financial decisions. The first step is identifying your client's needs. Many business owners struggle with budgeting, cash flow management, tax planning, or risk assessment. By understanding their goals and pain points, you can tailor advisory services that address real challenges and provide meaningful solutions. Positioning yourself as a trusted advisor comes from consistently sharing insights and offering actionable recommendations. When you help clients understand their numbers and use them to plan ahead, your role shifts from bookkeeper to strategic partner. This deeper level of support strengthens relationships and builds long-term trust. For your practice, advisory services bring clear benefits. They typically command higher fees than routine accounting work, encourage long-term client retention, and create opportunities for recurring revenue. Most importantly, they help differentiate your practice in a competitive market by showcasing the full value of your expertise. Creating and selling digital products is a powerful way for accountants to turn their expertise into passive income while helping others manage their finances more effectively. With your knowledge of financial systems, reporting, and strategy, you can design tools that simplify complex processes for business owners, freelancers, and individuals. From budgeting and cash flow templates to ebooks and online courses, digital products allow you to share your skills in a scalable and accessible way. One of the biggest advantages of digital products is their repeatable income potential. Once created, they can be sold over and over with minimal ongoing effort. Online platforms make it easy to distribute templates, guides, and courses, giving you access to a wide audience without the limits of one-on-one work. Beyond revenue, digital products strengthen your professional brand. They position you as a trusted resource for practical financial solutions and reinforce your credibility in the accounting space. With thoughtful design, strategic pricing, and consistent promotion, digital offerings can become a reliable income stream that supports long-term business growth and professional authority. Affiliate marketing offers accountants a simple and effective way to earn additional income by recommending products and services they already trust and use. Instead of creating your own products, you can partner with companies that provide accounting software, financial tools, or educational resources and earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your referral. This approach allows you to monetize your expertise while helping others find reliable financial solutions. Authenticity is essential for success. People are more likely to act on recommendations when they know they're based on real experience. Whether you're sharing insights through a blog, LinkedIn post, newsletter, or video, naturally integrating affiliate links into helpful content makes your recommendations feel valuable rather than promotional. Explaining why a specific tool works for you builds credibility and trust. As your audience and professional network grow, affiliate marketing can develop into a steady stream of passive income. Each piece of content you create continues to generate value over time. By focusing on products that align closely with your niche and audience needs, you strengthen your reputation as a trusted expert while building a scalable and sustainable revenue stream for your accounting business. Teaching and mentoring offer accountants a rewarding way to share their expertise while creating an additional income stream. Many aspiring accountants and business professionals seek practical guidance that goes beyond theory, and real-world experience can help bridge that gap. Whether you're breaking down complex tax concepts, explaining financial reporting, or helping others prepare for certification exams, your knowledge can have a lasting impact. You don't need a traditional classroom to start teaching. Online platforms make it easy to create and sell courses to a global audience, while live webinars and workshops allow for real-time interaction and deeper engagement. Mentoring offers an even more personal approach, letting you work one-on-one or in small groups to guide others through career decisions, skill development, and professional challenges. Teaching and mentoring are especially valuable because of their flexibility and long-term benefits. You can focus on your area of expertise, such as auditing, tax planning, or financial management, and design programs that reflect your strengths. Beyond generating income, these activities help you give back to the profession, strengthen your personal brand, and deepen your own understanding as you support the growth of others. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.